Hi, I'm Andrew Easler, Managing Attorney at Easler Law. Today, we're going over your most pressing legal questions. Today's legal question is, how do I trademark a product? There are two types of trademarks that the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, can acknowledge. Number one, a word mark, and number two, a design mark. A word mark applies to actual words used in commerce, and a design mark applies to works of art, such as a logo design. In general, an entire product does not fall under either of these categories. A particular product design or logo used in the product, or the name of the product, can be trademarked, but the entire product as a whole generally will not be trademarkable. Instead, if you would like to protect the intellectual property rights related to the whole product, a patent may be more appropriate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.